Since fuck. So let me just continue on. This is my CFX free signal channel, and you can see that it was on Tuesday, yeah, on the 5th. I called for this sale. So what did I actually see that made me call for this sale? I'm going to clear all this stuff. I'm going to clear all this stuff so that my chart will look neat. But I'll go to move everything. Yeah. So it was on Tuesday, right? Yeah, it was on Tuesday. So I called for this sale. What did I see that made me call for that sale? Share my trading view. So yeah, my chart was clean. So if you watched the market, the XAUSD chart breakdown I posted on YouTube, already I had the buyers for good to drop to this point, right? Please, if you watch that video, just open your mic and just say yes. I had the buyers for good to drop to this point on the weekly time frame. Is it true or false? If anybody watch the video, let me just know.
True.
Yeah, so that's 100%. The video is on YouTube in case anybody wants to check it out. It's on my channel, Steve FX. So I expected go to drop to this level and it happened 100%. To this Saturday, and then you can see market closed around that level, right? I also said that it should drop to this level, which is the daily time frame line. Yeah. I also marked out this level also on the daily time. I said since this one is the recent zoom in the daily time frame, then I'm expecting that drop to get to that daily time frame level too. And weak. I said it to push to this level and with a week and then close and then push your back and to just stop there with a week. I also said that it also touched that 4 hour zone, which was the 4 hour zone was here. Let me mark it out because I like keeping everything. So my bias was to take that sell to this level, right? So you can see that everything happened. They tapped all the zones I marked out in that video. If you want confirmation, you can go to my YouTube channel. Just type Steve FX, you'll see the YouTube channel. So yeah, it was on Tuesday because I traded on Monday. I traded on Monday, but I did that with only my mentees. I did not sell it out. Let me just show you guys. Let me just show you guys. I did it with only my mentees. Where's WhatsApp? Yeah, WhatsApp. So you can see this is my Steve FX inner circle. Don't mind this one. I'm not even using it again. I don't know what it's doing here. Yeah, so this is my Steve FX free signal. Let me archive it. That one was like last year or so. So you can see this is my inner circle here. See, you mix that sell on Monday. My guys, my mentee says stop making noise, make money. So we make that sell on Monday, and you can see we hit TP, right? We hit TP. We all make profit for the inner circle. So I did not send this one out for some reasons. My guys too that paid for VIP, they need to enjoy some things now. So you can see it was on the 15 minutes on Tuesday, yeah. I sent out this sale around this level. Right? It was around that level now. Let me check. Let's check the Telegram channel. So it was around that level. I sent out that sale. And I said, yeah, 2034. And I said stop loss should be at 2038, right? So that was let's go back to trading view. So you can see 2034 is around that zone. Let me use trend line to mark out this stuff. So it shouldn't be choke up on the chart. So you can see 2034 is around this zone, right? I said we're getting for a sell here. And then stop loss at 2038. Of which we did. And then our TP was around Ctrl Z. Let me check. Please, are you guys still hearing me? Let me just be sure.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, thanks. Our TP was around 2000. So our stop loss was 2038 and the target was 2018. Right? Please mute your mic so that yeah, so the stop loss was around, so this is actually what happened. Now, what did I see that made me go into that zone, into that trade, right? What did I see that made me go into that trade? I already had the bias of selling gold from the bigger time frame, like the weekly time frame. I already had the bias of selling gold. Now, what actually happened that I went into that trade, I saw the market created my zone here. I call it the Steve's zone. This is my zone. These are marked it out though. Market created my zone here, yeah. So breaks below that zone, right? Breaks below the Steve's zone. She actually waited for a retest and then I entered. What happened? Market liquidated those, like the ICT and SMC traders will say. So this was actually liquidity, but that's not my trading dictionary. I don't know what's liquidity. That one was fine there. So you can see market actually took us out with a week and then boom, straight to our TP. So what happened here? We hit SL on this. So SL hit, right? SL hit. We're wrong on that prediction. Not wrong though, but market, we didn't make money from that analysis. We even lost money, even though we were right. We lost money because market aside decided to do this thing. Now, what was my mistake? What was my mistake? You can this Steve zone here was not even clear. I want to see something like this. Let it be aggressive. Let me know that yes. That was part of my mistake. You can see this zone. When market came here, it was just ticky taka tick. So just like a roller coaster in that place. Let me mark it out. So that was my part of my mistake, which I did till now. I wrote it down. I'll try to avoid stuff like this. You can see. You can see it's not like even when it was doing, it also created another zone here. Sorry, here. It also created another zone here. So that was even where we're supposed to end up from, but then it was not actually clear. That's why I did that entry from this zone, and then you see what happened. That even I put my sell order here. My stop loss would have been eventually above this, around this zone here. So it would have not happened that way, but then it happened. So market decided to do its thing. So see our mistakes. You see our mistake and then we learn from it. So we took a couple of how many trades last week? About 3. So let's go back to the Telegram free channel and see what's yeah. So you can see SL hit on that. I notified when it hit SL. Yeah. So you can see when this 18 reversed and then came and hit at TP. It was like mad. Yeah, we go again tomorrow. So it was it was on Wednesday, right? On Wednesday I saw this setup. This setup happened very fast, very fast. This sale setup, it was on Wednesday by 9:35. I sent out that setup to the signal group and I was like, sell good now. Sell good now. It happened very fast. It was even 150. It was on the 5 minute time frame. I marked out that level. On the 5 minute time frame. That's where I marked out that level. So it was here, yeah, here. I'm still familiar with the charts. So it was here. Turn down. Okay. So yes, I marked out that 5 minutes. And I was like, this thing, there was a zone on the 1 hour. There was a zone on the 1 hour. Where's that stuff? Yeah, so you can see this our sales setup that hit us out. I think I should just delete this since I'm done using it. Right, let me just delete it since I'm done using it here. So this our sales setup that hit us out. He created a zone here. Yeah, so middle I saw that zone. I hopped on the 5 minutes and I was looking for my entry. So looking for confluence is to make money from that setup. And I saw the 5 minutes give us exactly what I wanted. And then rushed in and thought that sale setup. Sorry, sell, because our bias was to sell for the week. So we want to just be selling, selling, selling. And our target was 2015. And then our stop loss was at 2035, right? So yeah, so our target was 2015. I'll mark it out here. And then our stop loss was 2035. Yeah, so what's actually happened? The market was slow that day. Let me leave it like this. The market was slow that day, so it pushed up to this level, created a zone for entry again. Since I made that first entry on the 5 minutes, so I wanted to make all my entries on the 5 minutes, or all my entries on the 5 minutes. So it created a zone for entry again. Yeah, so I did enter, but I did not send that second. I did not send out that one because it was also kind of risky. So it created this retest, this zone for retest. The same TP, I used the same TP. Yeah, so my stop loss was above here, which was 2038. And I have this trading rule that once I add a position to my trade, I'll move my stop loss, all my stop loss to that level. So immediately I added this position, this my first trade here, the stop loss was here. So you can see on the Telegram I sent on the free signal channel, I made it clear to everybody. Even on my Instagram, I said move your stop loss to it here. Yeah. You can see it. Move your stop loss to where 2038. Yeah. So I said move your stop loss to 2038 because I know it's risky and then market might reverse to take us out. What happened, right? Market pushed up to that level and then took us out. So we hit break even on this of the break even of our 42 pips here. 42 pips break even. Oh, I was okay with that. So all right, let's mark it out 42 pips. Break even no, 42 pips break even. It's right. Break even, the color should be black now. Color should be black. So I'm just okay. Yeah, if I took this break even hit on this trade, what happened? We didn't lose on this setup, right? For me, I made the profit I made from here catered for this loss, and then I still made some profit too. So we didn't make any loss on this account. That was like the second trade I sent. So on Thursday, the market was like it was too rangy. It was ranging too much. Yeah, so I couldn't send any setup because I was not sure of what the market is going to do. So I couldn't send any setup because nothing I saw there really matched my trading style. So we actually waited for NFP, which was on Friday. Like I said, yeah. Good morning, guys. You can see on this level. I said, good morning, guys. Good hit us out at 220 28 with 42.5 break even. I think that's okay. So he's active for today's setup. This was actually on Friday, yeah. This was on Friday when I said this. Yeah, some reactions came up, and I also said that you could remember that it's NFP. It's NFP. So I also told them I'll send the setup on Friday. It was 7 a.m. I hopped on the chart and I did my fast analysis. I rushed. I saw this first sell order. I did not send it. You can see this entry at this level. This first entry here. I did not send this one because the stop loss was tight. I had to make that one on my own. Now, what did I see that made me make that setup? Let's hop on the charts. Let's hop on the charts. Trading view. Yeah, so like I said, on Thursday the market was still ranging. Let me delete this first. The market was still ranging on Thursday. So yeah, so I saw this zone on the 1 hour. It was very fast. This one to happen very fast, and so I hopped on immediately. This one on the 1 hour, and I called out for that sale, right? So you can see the 15 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes because I did my entry on the 15 minutes. First guy I've mentioned you. Okay, later reply to that one. I did my entry on the 15 minutes here, and I called that sale around this level. Yeah, this is where I called the sale, right? Let me just confirm. Yeah, 2030.65. 2030.65. That was 2030.65. Yeah, that was around this level. I saw that level immediately. Normally I use the 15 minutes for entry, and then I sent out that trade, and I said use 2032, which was about 20 pips stop loss. Use 2032 as 2032.65 as a stop loss. The market almost took us out. Almost took us out. That's why I like using brokers that does not have more spread. Almost took us out. Almost. And then it went straight and bashed our TP. Our target was around here. I can still remember vividly. Around here, let me confirm. Yeah, 2017. 2017 was our target, which was here. So that was about 1:6 RR made. Already we were not on a loss because of, so this is the first entry I did at this level. I did this first entry at this level. It came to the steep zone here, breaks out of the steep zone, made a retest. I quickly napped into that trade, rushed into that trade. It was very early at 5 a.m. I rushed into that trade, then I went to sleep again. When I woke up by 6:45, I checked it, and then I saw the second zone to add down that position again. So already my stop loss was actually here. When I entered from this first steep zone, my stop loss was here. So immediately I added this one, I tightened my stop loss. Like I said, when I add position, I like all my stop loss to be in one place. I tightened my stop loss immediately. So I did one is to, let me just keep the normal stop loss so that, yeah, I did like 1:6 here and 1:6 here, which was I did 1:12 on Friday. Yeah, on Friday we did 1:12 together. Like you can see, let me just write it out. I'm saving everything in my journal. TP hit, full TP hit here, full TP hit here. Am I doing TP hit? Yeah, so that should be blue. And then I reduce the size to 20. Yeah, so what so this was I want to just calculate everything. We hit SL here. That was how many pips SL? That was how many pips SL? About it was about 40 pips SL, right? It was about, let me just confirm. Let me confirm from the Tuesday's setup I sent out. Yeah, so it was 40 pips SL, which our entry was about 30. What was that? 34, yeah. So 2034, and then our stop loss was at 2030. That was 40 pips SL. So these are 42 pips break even that we hit here, covered up for our stop loss. So immediately we hit this break even, we're not on any loss for the week again, right? We're not on any loss for the week again, and then we made 1:6 here. So we made 6% last week. That was crazy. That's huge money. If you're trading a good account, I mean that's huge money. 6%. That's good money. And for me, I made like 13% total last week. 13. Imagine I'm trading a big account. Just imagine. So that's big money. If you're trading a good account, that's big money. If you're using one lot size, this was about for those using one lot size, I've made like um 30, 1,300, right? Yeah, 1,300 last week. Although I did more, sir. So I think that's all for the weekly trade review. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, if you're here and you're not subscribed to my channel, you're wrong. Oh. If you're new to my channel, just make sure you subscribe, and then if you remember to just like the video so that when I upload another one, YouTube will like recommend it for others to watch, right? Okay, now thanks for watching. Bye for now. So any questions?